Here's how to schedule messages in iOS 18 on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can schedule messages in iOS 18. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to schedule messages, what you have to do is just go to the messaging app first. And here I'm on messaging app. So I'm just going to type in a normal happy birthday message right over here. And once I type it in, so what you have to do is just press on the plus icon right over here and then select press on more. And once you press more, you will be able to see the option of schedule. Just press on it and then select the timer that you want to send it to it. So yeah, here as you can see, I'm just gonna press on the timer and I'm just gonna set it for 1 minute right now. And once I do this, and yeah, just gonna press it done. And here as you can see, I've already done the schedule messaging. So we just need to wait for a minute to start that. So I'll see you right after a minute. So yeah guys, it's been a minute and here as you can see, the schedule messages has been sent and this is how you do it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can send schedule messages on iOS 18 on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.